Everything looks so good. It got stamped on there pretty well. Very, very lightweight. Came out really nice. We definitely did a great baseball jersey.
Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric we imprinted. Transfer superstars, yeah, we.
What's up, superstars? In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to set up artwork in Kittl, as well as also press it on an Eeler BJ80 series men's baseball jersey, button-down hipster sleeve sports uniform. One of the benefits of DTF is actually the ability to do smaller runs. For example, customize names and logos on jerseys. These are the only pain that we have as printers, is getting the size done correctly. So we're going to show you guys how to exactly do that and how to process it properly. Let's get started. All right, guys, starting off on Kittl, we're just gonna put a new project. And for this new project, we're gonna do inches for the units first, and then for the width and for the height is gonna be 14. Only because we're not gonna go any higher than that, so we might as well just put it at 14. And then we're gonna do 300 DPI. All right, creating our board right here, we're gonna put up a text just to add a headline. And for this headline, we're going to change the text format, but first let's add the text, Superstar. Then we're going to do Milkstore 02. This was going to be the same kind of font that we did for Phil's video. We're just going to basically size it the same way as well. So for this one, we are going to do a good, I would say, try to get around 14 inches, but we want it to be pretty small in stature. So we're gonna do possibly around like good 3 inches. Let's see if we could drop this to 14. Okay, so we got this right here. What we're gonna do now is actually set this up for some transformation, give us a little arc, and then he put it to 10%, so we're just gonna keep it at the same thing, 10%. Just a little bit of a curve, I like that. This one's good, but we are gonna change the color of the text. Since this is gonna go on a blue shirt, we want it to be white. And a good way to see this, again, we could change the background color to also black, just so we could see how this is gonna come out. And again, we could easily take out the background when we push download, remove background, optimize quality, and this is all set. So we're gonna download this, and then we're going to change this. So since he did a couple of names, we're just gonna do 2, just to showcase what other names you guys could do. So you could do Jones, same kind of style, and it's good because since it's already in this format, we don't really have to change much. I would say, in a sense, maybe do change a little bit of the sizing. So seeing that since it's going by the width and the name is short, we really don't have to change much here. So we're just gonna download it as is as well. Again, removing the background, optimizing the quality. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is now put some numbers. Let's do 05. And the first one we're gonna do it very small. Let's do the height at least 4 inches, and then whatever it gives us, that's what will give us. So 05 looks good. The curvature doesn't really change much, so I'm not gonna really care that much to change it back. So I'm just gonna do download. Again, removing background, optimize quality. And we're gonna do another number 4 Jones. Let's just do 8, just so you guys can see that you guys could do 1 numbers too and how they're gonna come out. So let's just do 1 number. Again, it's gonna be at 4 inches. So let's download that. Remove background, optimize quality again. All right. And let's do them bigger now. Let's do that. 05. We want to make this pretty big, but his size was like around, like, I would say 8 inches. So 8 inches in height, I believe. Let's do 8 inches in height. There we go. That looks a good size for a number. Okay. Again, it didn't really change much on the curvature, so we're just going to remove background and optimize quality. Let's download that. And then we are also going to do the number 8. Okay, all right. This one, again, 8 inches, but the width is this because of the fact that it's just the 8. So we're gonna download it as is again. It's a remove background, optimize quality. All right, now let's put this in a gang sheet builder. What we're gonna do is go to transfer superstar, and it is gonna be the one right here. So we're just gonna go to the website, build our own gang sheet. We're gonna do a 22 by 12 because we just need enough for 2 prints. We're gonna start a new gang sheet. So we're gonna do these all the way over to this one. Let's open it up. All right, now let's just start putting them on there. I do see we didn't add our superstar logo. We wanna add something that's gonna also be on top of the 05 in the corner pocket. So let's do that too as well. Good thing we still have Kittl in here. Let's move this all to the white. Don't move to the white, it's fine. We'll force you. There we go. For some reason it's not doing white. That's completely fine. What we're gonna do is cancel this one out. Oh, it did white instead. Sweet, okay. We're gonna do superstar. The reason why we're not doing all caps is because we are gonna change the font of it to Milkstore 01. Yes, we're doing the same way that they did the Maverick shirt, but with that same font, we're gonna do it with superstar. So we want this to be at least the kind of the same width as one of our designs. So let's do it to 4 inches. 4 inches, looks nice. Okay, and oh, can't forget, we gotta add a little curvature too as well. Let's do 10%. All right, not that bad. All right, let's print it out. Let's download it. Remove background, optimize quality. We got it downloaded. All right, and then, oh, did not remove the background on this one. Let's do it one more time. This one, just so we can make sure we remove the background this time. We are going to make sure, let's just download it one more time. Let's see if it for some reason it just didn't do it. So let's just do that one more time. Remove background, optimize quality. Let's see if it comes up with the same thing. Nope. All right, you just have to download it one more time. For some reason it didn't do it the first, you just do it one more time. Easy. All right, let's do this one. We're gonna put this right here. You can put it as close as you want it. Again, you guys set it up however you guys like. Got the Jones right here. And then we're just gonna start placing these. So you got a 05. Again, since we already put them at a good like set number and set size, we don't really have to do much with these bad boys. So let's just set these up. Let's do that so we can make sure it's even. Oh, we don't want that many 8s. Let's do also the smaller 8s. There we go. And then we got a big old 05. Here we go. This one basically set it up for itself. Looks good, looks nice. All right, I think we're all set to save and get it printed. All right, let's get it started. We got the prints right here. Let's take a closer look at them.
So really nothing crazy special because we didn't really animate or put any design on these numbers, but everything looks completely crisp. It's desired resolution, 300 DPI. So everything looks really good. Now let's press it onto our shirt. And I know in most of our videos we do this face up. That's only because it's more aesthetically pleasing that way. We really do it the opposite end so we can make sure that there's no damage on the transfer. We have never seen any type of damage, but we always like to make sure and make all those precautions. We got everything together. Let's get them pressed. For our heat press, we're gonna be using our Heatmaster Prisma. It has a 16 by 20 layout, a 10-inch pull-out, and you could be able to thread the shirt, so it makes it very, very easy for any type of project that we're gonna be working. So let's get started.
In today's video, we're going to be using our laser aligning system. If you guys are interested in getting this, we do have our link in description below.
How we're gonna measure this is just 3.5 from the neckline. So right here, to adjust our lasers, I'm getting 3 fingers from both. That should be good. Then we're gonna go another 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So right here, we're gonna put where the numbers are. Let's also get a midway point for here. So right at the 10.5. Going to use our matte finish cover. Looks good. Let's do the front. For this one, we're not going to do the usual threading, because it does have some buttons that we could just easily take off. Adjust it however you like. And we are gonna add a heat press pillow, only because we do have a lot of close to the seams other than the back piece where it was just a fabric. So we want to make sure all pressure is hitting and nothing is lacking. Okay. Usually we would wait 15 seconds, or you would even use one of these microfiber cloths just so you could make sure everything adheres. Now for the second press. All right, everything looks so good. It got stamped on there pretty well. And it's very, very lightweight. Came out really nice. We definitely did a great baseball jersey. All right.
There you guys have it. That's how you guys make a baseball jersey using Kittl and our Gang Sheet Builder. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. We would love to have your business. All right, well, that's all for me for now. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I hope to see you guys soon.